Here are 3 delicious roasted chicken recipes that are sure to impress your family and friends. Each recipe brings its own unique flavors and cooking techniques, making them perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into the details. Full details are available in the description below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. First dish is herb and lemon roasted chicken. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, about 4 to 5 pounds, 2 lemons, 1 for juice, 1 cut into wedges, 4 cloves of garlic, minced. Fresh herbs, such as rosemary, thyme, and parsley, 1/4 cup olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 onion, quartered. 2 cups chicken broth. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. Begin by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. 2. Prepare the chicken. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels. This helps ensure a crispy skin. 3. Make the herb mixture. In a bowl, combine olive oil, minced garlic, chopped fresh herbs, salt, and pepper. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the mixture and stir well. 4. Season the chicken. Rub the herb mixture generously all over the chicken, making sure to get under the skin as well. Stuff the cavity of the chicken with the quartered onion, lemon wedges, and any remaining herbs. 5. Roasting. Place the chicken breast side up in a roasting pan. Pour the chicken broth into the bottom of the pan. This will help keep the chicken moist during cooking. Roast in the preheated oven for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. Baste the chicken with the pan juices every 20 minutes for added flavor. 6. Rest and serve. Once done, let the chicken rest for 10 to 15 minutes before carving. This helps the juices redistribute. Serve with roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. Second dish is spicy paprika roasted chicken. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, 4 to 5 pounds, 3 tablespoons smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper, adjust to taste, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, salt and pepper to taste, 1 lime, juiced, fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Prepare the spice rub. In a small bowl, mix together smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, minced garlic, olive oil, brown sugar, lime juice, salt, and pepper to create a thick paste. 3. Season the chicken. Rub the spice mixture all over the chicken, making sure to coat it evenly, including under the skin. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, or overnight in the refrigerator for deeper flavor. 4. Roasting. Place the seasoned chicken in a roasting pan, breast side up. Roast in the oven for about 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. For an extra crispy skin, you can broil the chicken for the last 5 minutes. 5. Rest and garnish. Allow the chicken to rest for 10 minutes after removing it from the oven. Garnish with fresh cilantro before serving. This spicy chicken pairs wonderfully with rice, beans, or a fresh coleslaw. Third dish is garlic and rosemary roasted chicken with vegetables. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, 4 to 5 pounds, 1 bulb of garlic, cloves separated and peeled, 4 to 5 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 1/4 cup olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 4 carrots, cut into chunks, 4 potatoes, quartered, 1 onion, quartered, 2 cups chicken broth. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. 2. Prepare the chicken. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels. 3. Season the chicken. In a small bowl, mix the olive oil, salt, and pepper. Rub this mixture all over the chicken, including under the skin. Stuff the cavity with garlic cloves and fresh rosemary sprigs. 4. Prepare the vegetables. In a large bowl, toss the carrots, potatoes, and onion with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread the vegetables around the chicken in the roasting pan. 5. Roasting. Pour the chicken broth into the bottom of the pan to keep everything moist. Roast the chicken and vegetables for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius, and the vegetables are tender. 6. Rest and serve. Let the chicken rest for 10 to 15 minutes before carving. Serve the chicken with the roasted garlic and vegetables, drizzled with the pan juices for added flavor. Conclusion. These 3 roasted chicken recipes, herb and lemon, spicy paprika, and garlic and rosemary, offer a variety of flavors and techniques that can easily elevate your cooking. They are perfect for family dinners, special occasions, or even meal prep for the week. Each recipe can be paired with various side dishes, such as salads, grains, or roasted vegetables, making them versatile for any meal. Enjoy your culinary adventure with these delightful roasted chicken recipes.